She got all the drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, pleading all the fights. Wanna take a walk on the other side. Feeling really fly on her feet tonight. Got her something good, now she Jesus Christ.
So guys, I wanted to go fishing today. Today was kind of a rough day. It looks like the tide was low, the wind is a little up there. It's rainy. Well, it's not raining at the moment, but I said, you know what, I still want to go fishing. So I'm going to take you guys on a little journey to a spot that's really close to the house. I won't be in my kayak this time, but hopefully we catch something. Maybe not, but at least it'll be a little bit of an adventure video. Check it out. So yeah, we're gonna go out here and try it here under the bridge. This is Palm Coast Toll Bridge. So I wanted to check this out and see what we could find. Cool. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to go down here a little bit further, see what we can find. I'm going to go do a little exploring here. So, let's check this out. I haven't caught a fish yet. That's my luck. But, yeah, let's see what we can find here, man. This is pretty cool. Back in here, I'm going to go underneath these trees here. And my little buddy Harley, he's coming along with me. I don't know if you can see him. Harley, where you at? There's my Harley right there. Yeah, man. All right, let's check this out. right here where I was just at. You can see here, I just had a bite on a small flounder. I actually got him up to where I could see him. I actually had him on line, but I didn't get him out of the water. And of course, my GoPro didn't record. I was too busy trying to reel in the fish, and with all the ambient noise around here, it didn't hear me say the words that you got to say to start your GoPro. So we're gonna go a little bit further down. We'll go to that little point that's right there, and we'll be right back because this GoPro, the battery is about dead. So let's see if we can catch something. Yeah, so today I went over here to underneath the bridge, and well, wasn't that great. I caught one flounder. At least I'm going to say I caught him. I got him on the line. He got off. He's probably about a 9-inch, maybe 10-inch flounder, little potato chip. But we're not done. So let's go to another spot. I'm going to change out my battery and my GoPros, and I'm going to try another spot and see if we can find something. All right, guys, back.